Pause your brain starter so you can evaluate the function at f of 3. All you have to do to evaluate this function is, of course, plug in 3 anywhere you see an x. Which means 3 cubed is 27. 2 times 27 is 54. Minus 6 all over 3 minus 9. Which, of course, equals 48 over negative 6. Which equals negative 8. The reason we looked at function evaluation in the brain starter is because you can evaluate certain limits simply by substitution. If it's a polynomial function, you can just plug in the value c into the function, and that's the limit as x approaches c of the function. If you have a rational function, like something in a quotient like this, you can do the same thing and just plug in c for the function, and that will give you the limit. However, there is one problem, which is q of c cannot equal 0, because then you would have a 0 in the denominator, and that would be undefined. If the function is undefined, we'll have to use other methods for it that we'll learn about later. So for this first problem, when we try to find the limit as x approaches 3 for the function 2x cubed minus 6 over x minus x squared, let's just try substituting 3 in for the function. Well, we already did that during the brain starter, and we found out that f of 3 just gives you negative 8, so the limit is negative 8. Now for the second one, limit as x approaches 1, we'll figure out if we can do it by plugging in 1. So we have 1 squared minus 1 all over 1 minus 1, which of course equals 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1, which is 0 over 0. Now, since we have a 0 in the denominator, this means that we can't use substitution to find this limit.